So we'll see the next question. Question number 5. A sum of money rupees 8,000 invested in simple interest for 10 years triples itself. What is the rate of interest? So we'll see the working. So the sum of money deposited is rupees 8,000. So after 10 years, so this amount is tripled. So the amount got after 10 years is rupees 24,000. So the excess amount which we have got is subtracting is rupees 16,000. So after 10 years the interest amount got is rupees 16,000, and now so when we deposit 8,000 the interest got is 16,000. So we'll find what is the amount got when we deposit 100 rupees for 10 years. So this is got merely by cross multiplying. So which is equal to 200. So we are asked to find the rate percent. So rate percent is the value which we get for 100 rupees for 1 year. So this when we deposit 100 we get 200 rupees for 10 years. So the rate percent, so dividing this with 10 is equal to 20%. So answer for question number 5 is option D, 20%. And the hint here is, so find what will be the interest for 100 rupees and then find it for 1 year will give you the rate percent. So we'll see the next question, question number 6. A businessman invested rupees 15,000 in a bank in simple interest. So it doubled itself in 6 years. In how many years it will become 4 times itself? So we'll see the working. So it is given that the amount deposited is rupees 15,000. So this doubles in 6 years and we are asked to find the number of years in which the amount will become 4 times. So in this working, it is independent of the sum deposited. So it is given that it doubles in 6 years. So whenever the sum is deposited as P and the same amount is added, we get 2 times, which implies there is 100% increase. So doubled implies 100% increase, and 4 times means, so with the original amount we add 3 times the given value, so which is 4 times, which implies it is 3 times increase, that is 300% increase. So now using this data, 100% increase is got by in 6 years, and to get 300% increase, so cross multiply this. So 100 into 3 is 300, so 6 into 3, 18 years. So for a sum to double itself it takes 6 years. So to become 4 times it needs 18 years. So answer for question number 6 is option B, 18 years. And the hint here is, when a sum doubles, it is increased by 100%, and to become 4 times, it implies that there is 300% increase. So we'll see the next question, question number 7. A sum of money lent out at simple interest amounts to rupees 1624 after 2 years and to rupees 1960 after a period of 5 years. Find the sum and the rate percent. So for 2 years the amount got us so 1624, and for 5 years the amount got us 1960. So difference in amount for difference in years, that is, so 5 minus 2, so in 3 years the excess amount is, so the interest is so for 3 years the amount got is 336, the interest is 336. So for 1 year, so dividing this 336 by 3, so 1 year the interest got is rupees 112. So to find the sum from this amount which is got for 2 years, subtract the interest for 2 years. So if for 1 year interest is 112, for 2 years, so interest is so which is equal to 224. So now this interest, when we subtract from the amount, we get the sum deposited. So the sum deposited is the principal amount P, so the sum of money deposited is rupees 1400. So to find the rate percent, so we have got, when we deposit rupees 1400, so for 1 year interest is 112. So for rupees 1400 interest for 1 year equal to 112. And we are asked to find the rate percent. Rate percent is the return for every 100. So for 1400, if it is rupees 112, so for 100 rupees, so what will be the interest? So just cross multiplying. So we get the interest rate as 8%. So answer for question number 7 is option B. Rupees 1400 is the sum and the interest rate is 8%. So here the hint is, from the given data, find what is the interest got for 1 year and then find the sum deposited and the rate percent.